teardown for cleanout of the Starkey Model 851 extruders. Pretty straightforward process, pretty quick. You would want to remove the 4 bolts on the auger barrel. So, remove the barrel. There is a socket head cap screw that retains the augers. So you use an Allen wrench and remove the socket head cap screw. And you can take those augers out. There are 2 chopper augers in the back, and they won't come out until the pin bar is removed. So there's 2 quick release handles. We'll take these off. And we can take the pin bar out. Once that's out, we can reach in and we can get these augers out. Now we need to take the vacuum chamber, or the auger side, off of the mixer side. So we will pull the 2 halves of the machine apart. There is a sealing grid, which we'll take out for cleaning. And then we got to do the same over here to this barrel. Well, let's actually take the 4 nuts off that retain the mixer barrel. Pull that off of the machine. We'll take the socket head cap screw that retains the augers, and we can take these out. Just like the auger side, there's a wiper auger back in the tub, but that'll just pull right through. The mixing knives, in this case I've already removed them for replacement, but they are a taper shank knife that bolts into the shaft. So let's go ahead and take a look. And so the shafts have to be rotated for those knives to be removed and replaced. To do that, it's easiest to remove the hopper extension with the 4 bolts and the 2 on each side.